What's good, y'all? Listen, man, it's another year, another iPhone release day. Ah, man. I don't know about y'all, but I'll be feeling good this time of year. How y'all Android users be feeling? How y'all feeling? How y'all be feeling? Like, I know a lot of y'all don't really, y'all ain't got no store or nothing to go to, so I get it. I understand. Like, y'all gotta order your iPhone, or y'all gotta order your Pixels and Samsungs and all that stuff. So. Yeah. For y'all, it's just another year, another new phone. But for us, it's like, listen, it's an event. Like we pull up, like we be pulling up. Like, can y'all pull up? I don't think y'all can pull up. Y'all, I mean, the few little Samsung Experience stores that's out there, the few little Google stores that's out there, y'all can do it. But as Apple users, you know how it is. So anyway, man, enough gloating and enough like rubbing it in. Let's go ahead and go pick up that air. Not kitty. I'm praying that the audio is good in this thing because I cannot get my mic to stay connected. But yeah, man. Y'all saw I had my camera with me. I got a photo shoot for some real estate property later on, right after we get the iPhone. So I should have put the pickup window back, but nah. I gotta get my iPhone, man. I need that thing. Though, because we on a budget these days, I gotta give y'all I gotta give y'all the B-roll music like myself, because I can't really afford to get a beat from Epidemic Sound no more. So here you go. Might gonna come back, I ain't gonna lie.
So why?
Yeah. Your boy gonna have to come back because check this out. I'll be here all day. I'll be back in a little bit. I got a photo shoot to get to, so yeah. iPhone days, you get rainbows and stuff. Like, that don't be happening when you get like on Android release days. It just be doom and gloom. You get beautiful, colorful activity. That look decent, but too much.
The onion soup.
The soup burger is crazy. Oh, they got boba? I'm about to try one.
That
What the
one.
fuck? Nasty?
It's
Single?
pretty, yeah. It's pretty nasty.
The avocado thicker than the patty. stir fry.
Yeah.
I thought she was regular. I wanted to do some rice shrimmer.
Huh?
I wanted to do some rice shrimmer. Remember rice shrimmer?
That's really him. Right, that's him.
I'm feeling my mustard, sir.
Hi. I messed with it a little bit.
Didn't take barely one lick of mustard, or the ketchup,
I dabbed the ketchup first and then I put it in the mustard.
and then sucked all the mustard up. What's your favorite non-hip hop or R&B artist?
My favorite non-hip hop or R&B artist. I wouldn't necessarily say they're my favorite, but I'll dabble with like Dolly Parton, like a few of her songs. I do like the old school Shania Twain. I do like Sabrina Carpenter.
Probably I got the favorite Evanescence. I like a couple of Green Day songs.
I think there's a few Linkin Park songs that I like.
Linkin Park too. Them goods, y'all. We got the goods. Ugh. Listen, man, y'all don't know. I was trying my hardest. I was in the Apple store like, yo, I can't look at that iPhone Air. I cannot touch it. I can't do nothing with it. But we got the MagSafe battery pack that I said I wasn't going to get. But I know y'all can't see it, but we all blown out. But we in the building with it. Y'all waited long enough. Y'all waited long enough. Man. All right, man. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. All right. All right. This is it, y'all. This is it. This is it. Ain't nothing else in the box, for real. That mother boy. Hold up. Like the guy. I did it. I made the right choice. I did. I absolutely made the right choice. Oh my God, Apple. Apple. We got one camera on the back, all right? One. Just one for you, but listen, man. I feel like that's a fair trade-off. We gonna play around with this thing, man. Like, subscribe, share. I appreciate y'all coming with me on my journey. And yeah, it's your man. We out. Apple, happy iPhone pickup day, y'all. Happy iPhone pickup day. Let's get it.